All right, it's Jay today and Gwen tomorrow, and we're back with another adventure here. So currently I'm here at DH Falls, basically Douglas Houghton Falls, and this waterfall is the biggest one at 110 feet, the biggest one in the state of Michigan. You know, it's not raining. It has been raining, as you can see. And they said it's about a quarter-mile back here in the woods, so not too bad from my understanding. But if it's not raining, I'm gonna take the drone out and fly it over there instead of walking back. I'm gonna be lazy today, and give you guys a perspective from above. So let's do that. And instead of going back there, I didn't even bring a walking stick, so I'm a little leery about going back there. So let's bring the drone out. Alright, so we found the top of the waterfall here, which is going to drain down 110 feet into this gorge here. This is pretty neat, experiencing this and seeing this from this kind of distance up in the air. Yeah, and again, there wasn't a whole lot of rain that this area had experienced, from my understanding, which is why the water, why it looks like you're getting different channels of water instead of just a big pouring gush of water over the cliff. But again, this is Michigan's tallest waterfall at like 110 feet. It is pretty cool experiencing this.